this video, we will look at the top 5 best door alarms available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Starting at number 1. Wsdcam Remote Security Alarms. It's installed in much the same way as the GE kit. The unit contains a magnet that triggers an alarm if the two parts are no longer next to one another. Just use the tape included in the package to stick the small section to the frame. The larger part then sticks to the door or window. It will work equally well with sliding, crank or hung windows. You could use it for gates to pool areas too. There are no wires, and the alarm is powered by 2 AAA batteries. This one also comes with a remote control, powered by a single 12-volt battery. That will allow you to arm or disarm the alarm, and to set it to doorbell or panic modes. When the alarm is armed, it will sound for 30 seconds if the door or window is opened. There will be a 15-second break before it will repeat, again for 30 seconds. It will continue doing that until the door or window is closed, or the alarm is disabled. The doorbell function will chime once when the door or window is opened, notifying you if someone is entering or leaving. Press the panic button, and 105 decibels will sound continuously for 30 seconds. It will work no matter what mode the alarm is set to. At number 2. SABRE Security Door. SABRE's alarm system comes in a choice of 1, 2 or 4 unit sets. The design is familiar, a wireless unit that contains a magnet. There's a narrow strip to go on the window or door frame, and a larger part for the opening section. The alarm unit is powered by 4 LR44 batteries. There's a choice of either siren or chime modes, and it can be disabled when not needed. All the settings are selected with a small toggle switch. There's no remote control with this one. The switch sits inside the unit, and you'll have to remove a plastic cover to get at it. That makes it a more involved task than with other units. The switch is small too, so won't be ideal for anyone who's visually impaired. When in siren mode, the unit will emit an alarm of 120 decibels when triggered. That's loud enough to be heard up to 750 feet away. The chime mode works well on a door, where it will alert you to children or guests coming in or out. But beware, it is very loud. If you have close neighbors, you may get complaints. At number 3. Toeeson Magnet Triggered Alarm Doors. With Toeeson's kit, you'll get 6 alarm units. It's a great choice if you want to protect multiple windows and doors. And it's very affordable too. Again, there are no wires to worry about here. Each unit simply sticks to your door or window with double-sided tape. A smaller section sits across from it on the door or window frame. The power comes from LR44 batteries, 3 in each alarm. There are no different settings here. Once the alarm is in place, just switch it to armed using the toggle switch. As soon as the door or window opens, it will be triggered, beeping at 120 decibels. That's loud enough to carry up to 750 feet. And it will keep going until the window or door is closed again. There isn't a chime function. If you want something to keep track of people regularly coming in and out, this won't be it. But if you're looking for an effective and cost-effective alarm for multiple windows, it's a good choice. The alarm units are attractive too. They're finished in matte silver with a black base, giving them a high-tech appearance. And they're designed to resist dust and keep out insects. At number 4. BITIWEND Door. BITIWEND system will work for those who want to know when doors or windows are being opened. The 2 sensors here will chime once whenever that happens. But there's no continuous alarm function. There are, though, some other nice features. The kit includes 2 sensors and a base unit that plugs into your power supply. Each sensor uses one CR16323 volt battery. There are no wires involved, and the wireless signal will stretch up to 600 feet in open areas. The base unit is fairly large. If you've got a double power point, it will cover both sockets. The sensors, however, are much more discreet. They're small enough to sit in the palm of your hand. The base unit allows you to set the chime to one of 4 volume levels. The softest is 25 decibels, ranging all the way to an unmissable 110 decibels. But the choices don't stop there. You can pick from no fewer than 52 different ringtones. You can even set different ringtones for different sensors, so you know which door or window has been triggered. The base unit lights up too, making it great for people with impaired hearing. At number 5, Physen wireless door. With the Physen kit, you'll get 2 receivers and 3 sensors to fit on doors or windows. But note that if you install a sensor on a metal door, the material will interfere with the signal. It will still work, but you'll need to have the receiver much closer. If metal doors aren't an issue, the wireless transmission here will cover up to 600 feet in an open space. Having 2 receivers, the bits that make the noise, gives you more flexibility. And it increases the chance of you hearing the alert, wherever you are in your home. The receiver also lights up when the alert is triggered. So if you have impaired hearing, you'll still be able to detect someone entering or leaving. It's important to note that this is a chime kit, rather than an alarm like the Licoramo system. When the sensor is triggered, a single chime will sound. It won't sound again until the door or window is closed and reopened. If you're worried about little ones getting out of the house without you noticing, it's a good option. But it won't be the best choice if you want to stop a burglar in their tracks. This is another system that offers you a large choice of chimes, 52 in all. Choose different ones to help you identify which window or door has been triggered.